Lamdam Asida Thaunariba commercial amasung light motor vehicles sing lambi thonga chunaba oibra amadi national safety standards sing ngak libra haiba khangdok pagaloinana mausagi khalda sokhandanaba pandamda state Asida inspection and certification center ICC automated testing station Thamduna Gari sing sek Touba Houragani Hiramasigi matang dangasi Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Manipur Lenga ki Transport Department amasung International Center for Automotive Technology ICAT ka nakal ahumgo oiba Memorandum of Understanding MOU amakhodiek pinakre MOU sigi matungin na Imphal District ki Lamlai Assembly Constituency ki manung chanba terama khong khulda Ministry of Road Transport and Highways na Inspection and Certification Center ICC asi lupa crore taramariga lakh kun manga changna semgotkani Hairi bus state of the art facility asida yauriba automated system singna gari ki brake efficiency emission level headlight alignment suspension performance chassis condition ga loinana parameter kaya check tawduna accident hantha hanba amasung air quality hengat hanba yauna test tawbagi thabak manung mapan naina sengna tawnabagi pandam thamli hairiba facility asi mapung fana thabakta onthokpa matamda mamangda hana chatnaramba gari singi fitness certificate sing Maraki oiba khongthang ama oina mari leinaba district transport officer singna piramba du toklagani loinana khongthang asina state asida transport infrastructure amasung regulatory framework henna fogat hanba ngamlagani hairi panba yabadi inglisingani kun humdoi gi September 32 da Ministry of Road Transport and Highways na thokiba notification amagi matung inna commercial amasung light motor vehicles sing automated testing station singda sungsoi soidena fitness testing sungsoi soidena chathagadabani haina khanghan kiba laikhrabani